What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a review on my full exhaust. I've had plenty of exhausts on these cars. I've had long tube headers, Shorties, etc., H pipes, X pipes, full master cap backs, Magnum flow. And on this car I did a full exhaust, costing me 500 bucks. Unbelievable. Most of you are gonna say that's crap, blah blah blah, but it's true. The Shorties came off eBay, the black, they were 50 or 60. The X pipe came off LMR on sale for 150. I waited for another sale off Summer Jags. I shop around, so I got the cap back for 170-ish, 160, and I ended up ditching the tailpipes and I bought chrome tailpipes from LMR. It actually sounds really good. It sounds actually better than some of my $1,000+ setups. It's not too loud, it's not too quiet. You can actually have a conversation in the car. But alright guys, I'll shut up and start her up. Extremely happy with it. I'm going to do another video later on today, maybe a few pulls with her. As you guys can see, she's basically pretty close to 100% stock, minus the exhaust and a Cannon slipping and a C L MAF air meter. Yeah, I'll be back shortly. What's up, guys? Finally doing a nice little driving video. Got my new mirror mount on for my camera. So yeah, gonna test it out here. See if we can do a little pull get on the highway. Full exhaust. Really happy with this exhaust. It's nice and quiet when you're not, under load. Sorry for the little bit of wind noise. The car is a convertible, obviously. But yeah, see if I can do one more small pull, one third, and see what we can get her up to. We're doing about 65 now.